Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is your friend in crypto. I found a funny little article having to do with AI and Bitcoin and prices and stuff like that, and I just wanted to go over with you real quick. If you haven't checked out my other videos or come to my channel, come check it out and check out some of my other videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And don't forget to comment on any of my videos I make, or and hit that like button. It really helps my channel a lot. All right, guys. Okay, first I just need to say that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So this morning had an email that showed this article right here. It says uh, Chat GPT apparently has predicted that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 this year. Artificial intelligence, and these experts predicted. The article goes into how somebody used Chat GPT to a linguist model built on data patterns and analysts. Bitcoin will achieve its highest price to date in 2023, peaking at around $120,000. That's that's funny. Who knows? Maybe that very well could happen. Um, I personally think it's a little bit. I kind of go along with it. I've been in the market since uh, early 2018, right after the last bull run, as the bull run was coming into play. So a little bit more than a whole cycle. And I'm definitely not a trader, but I do kind of watch charts a little bit. I dabbled in trading a couple years ago, and I found out that it wasn't me. But let's see, where the human analysts are predicting that it doesn't get to 100,000 until 2025, and I kind of go more along with that, because I see it that Bitcoin and the bull markets have always followed the Bitcoin halving, and so that's kind of where I'm with it. And then I would have pulled up a chart here to 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 kind of show you what I think about this. As you can see, what's funny is, let's get back so we can see the previous bull run. That's this one right here, the bull run of 2013, uh, where price hit a high of $1,200, $1,300, somewhere in there. And then let's just take a little ruler here and see here where we're going here. Damn it! From the peak of this bull run to the peak of this bull run, if you'll notice, see this right here. This is 1,477 days. Okay. What I find is funny. Let's go down here so I can see this one. Is the peak of this bull run, the very peak, to the peak of this bull run, the previous one, just in 2021 November, is 1,428 days. Is that crazy or what? How uh, right on pattern seems to be going. So, only difference being, sorry guys for the interruption. I just want to ask everybody to subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Thank you. I did some numbers and I did some calculations. I, I found out exactly this, how much of an increase this last bull run was, or the bull run between bull runs. Okay, the peak high price, and between the previous and the last, or the between 2013 and 2017 was 1400, about 1460%, 1462% increase from the peak high to the peak high. Okay. The difference between the previous bull run high, peak high, and last bull run peak high was only 249%. Okay, so if you want to go along with the history model of this, there's a difference between, okay, this one comes out to about 250%. The last difference was 1,500%. Well, 245% is 16.3% of 1,500%. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? So if we go follow along with this history model here, that puts the price of the next bull run somewhere around $100,000, just figuring like that. That's just I'm just having fun with numbers, but it does put it. But that makes it an increase. The next bull run's increase from the last bull run will be 40% higher. That's where that puts that. Or will be 40% from this high to the next high. That puts it right around $100,000. So the AI's prediction, the way I'm looking at it, is probably pretty close. That's where I'm figuring it'll end up. Maybe a little over 100,000. But I think it will be not until 1,428 days from this point right here. So if we were to take 1,428 days, let's see where that puts us. Or 14, let's say 1,450 days. Right around there. That puts us November. That puts us November of 25. So that's, so I'm not really expecting the bull run to hit for a couple years still. But anyway, that's just that's just the way I'm looking at it. But in this amount of time, in this time between then and now, y'all need to be getting ready for it. I know that's what I'm doing. I lived through the last bull run and into the last bull run, in the last bear run, and then into the last bull run, and I made a lot of mistakes. I sold too soon. I started buying again in the height of the bull run. Just some really ridiculous mistakes. But this time I'm going to get it right. This time I've got it right. I got a plan. I'm going to get it right. That's for sure. But anyway, just a funny little informational video of my thoughts on price and prediction, date prediction and stuff because of that article I saw. So hope you guys appreciate it, or hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave a like on my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, like I said before. So have a good day, guys.